Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change language on YouTube. Let's get started. So if you want to change language on your YouTube application, then what you can do is just simply open up your YouTube, and after opening up your YouTube, in the bottom right corner of your screen you can find your profile icon. So just simply tap on your profile icon, and after tapping on your profile icon, now what you can do is in the top right corner of your screen you will find a three dotted icon or a setting icon. So if you find a three dotted icon, then what you can do is just simply tap on that and you will find a settings option. You just have to tap on settings, but you already have a settings icon, then simply tap on settings, and after tapping on settings you have to tap on general, and after tapping on general, here you can find this voice option, which is app language. So what you can do is just simply tap on app language, and after tapping on app language you can find all this language which is supported by YouTube. So now what you can do is just search for a language that you want, and then simply tap on it, and after tapping on that language, now you can access that. For example, I'll select this language and then tap on change, and after tapping on change, here you can see guys, I have successfully changed my language. So that's it. This is how to change your YouTube language. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.